only thing left is his whole entire this area and his body part. So let's finish his finisher body part. Like it's not orange color, it's some kind of green color, just like this. His nose, his hair collar, her collarbone area, her chest, every single part. Okay, every single part. It's gonna be super easy, just like this. Okay, so now it's kind of done, but I have to put some detail on this here. Which color should I give here? And I can understand. So let's pick up a random color, just like not orange, not this one, not this one. Let me put the pink color here. Okay, so let's go with the pink. I hope it looks good after finishing. So as you can see, it's gonna look nice. So it's gonna be look so nice. Okay. Put some more effort and it will be done in a few minutes. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, and you can share with your friends, family, and everyone. Let me know in the comment section how you like it. You like my drawing, yes or no? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, just let me know it. So now our princess is done. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.